Hi guys! Welcome to Creative Mind with another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to create trending AI images for free. First of all, open your browser. Now search styler.ai. Now click on Sign Up. I am currently signing in with Google. Now answer these few questions. Now click on New Project. Now click on Create and then add your prompt. Now click on Stylize. It charges credits. 1 credit charge for 1 prompt. After every week it will update it. After some processing, these are the results. You can also download this images easily by clicking on Export. And here we go. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.